Hello guys, Jail here from TechTutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Ticket Tool bot in your Discord server. So to do this is pretty simple. So to set it up, it's pretty simple. So here in your Discord server, all you have to do is head on to the Ticket Tool website, which we'll do right now. So here you have tickettool.xyz. So you have to invite the Ticket Tool into your Discord server. So you have to select the server. So we're going to use my server and continue. So you want to manage it all the roles basically, since it's going to help you. So here, as you can see, you can manage the roles and authorize it right here. So it's going to ask you if you're going to be human. So there you go. Press I am human, then it's going to redirect you. So now you can go back to your Discord server where the ticket tool is now there. So you have to see, go to your ticket tool again. So let's just go back to ticket tool right here and refresh it so we can manage the server that we just did. So let's find it right here. So let's go to our dashboard right here. So let's just log in again with our Discord just like a while ago. So as you can see, authorize it again. Then it's gonna ask you again if you're human. So it's gonna bypass that. So now it's gonna manage my own Discord server, as you can see right here. So now we can head on to our Discord server. So let's just skip all of this. So here we are in our Discord server. So we want to go to the drop down basically and go to our server settings. So once we go to our server settings right here, we want to look for our roles. So looking for our roles right here, as you can see, now we can select our roles. So we like to place the ticket tool and drag it up only below staff. So if there's staff right here, so there's going to be moderator, staff, and then ticket tool. So you can reorder it in that position. So right here, we only have ticket tool. So next, we're going to do some support staff and other things like that. So you can skip that if you want to. So now let's go back to our server. So here we will go to our general. So in our text channel, in our general, we can actually create a category. So here, I recommend you doing this in your PCs or not create channel, just create a category. So here we can edit the category. So once we select it, we can rename it to be support, of course. So here, we'll just rename it support or something else like that, guys. So here we have our support, and this is going to be a private category, of course. So here you can add it as a private category and save. So this is going to be for members only if they're going to use the Ticket Tool app. So after you have done that, you can select the Ticket Tool role also for support staff, moderators, and many much more. So basically that is how you set it up right here, and you can further set it up using the ticket tool config right here. So you can go panel config and select your panel and many much more. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.